Okay, today we have a broken garage spring door. This thing snapped pretty good. As you can see, part of the spring's right there, and then it came down over here, and then this wire's just a mess. So if you need to fix this, I'm going to show you how to do it. Here's a sample of what it's supposed to look like on the other side.
Remember, don't forget to subscribe if this video helped you, and let's go ahead and get started.
So first of all, make sure you get the garage door safely open. So I was able to get this one open because you need to be able to have slack. So if you can see, I can move this by hand right here. So really it's just as easy as looping everything back up and winding it up. Oh, and you can use this side to compare. So we're going to start by winding this back up. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is take this piece here, wrap it back around so it's on the pulley, and then make sure that this is all nice and tight here. This piece. Okay. So we'll move on to the next step. The next step that we want to do is go ahead and turn this around. This side needs to be here. Loop this back onto this pulley. And then it actually needs to be turned around. And make sure all the wire is even. Okay, that looks nice and tight there. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and
Get this snapped ring.
get it out of the way. I'm just going to leave that there.
And to make it easier for us to put this back on, we're going to remove the hook with a wrench and then hook it back on.
Okay. All right, we'll go ahead and take this off there. Go. Okay. Okay, so we took this off. Now we're going to put it on the spring. Just coil it on there like this. Once you get it on there, you can just kind of push it around. Okay. That's one time. I wonder if we should do two. Let me go ahead and go a little bit more. Pushing it around. There we go. Okay, and that's upside down for me, so I need to go a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so I have this coiled around twice. to be coiled around, put it in, and go ahead and get that piece started. Screw it on in as much as you can by hand. There you go. Okay, then I'm going to tighten it up. Tighten it up. Oop. And that's tight there. Okay. Now I'm looking at this piece over here, and it looks like the spring needs to be adjusted there as well. This needs to be up at the front here. So we're going to do that and then test it out. All right, so now we're going to get this pulled up and fixed here. It's coming a little at a time. Here we go. Okay, this thing all looks good. Except this wire is not very tight here, so I'm going to tighten that up. Okay, we got this nice and tight now, restrung over there. So now we're going to try the garage and see how it. Okay, we got this all nice and tight here, and we're going to try and close the garage and see what happens. Okay, so this wire here is a little loose, so we're going to just take this piece out here. Tighten it up.
All right, getting it all worked together here. Just use the sample on the other one. If you're having trouble, you can see how it's looped. Getting it all nice and tight, looping it through, getting it working, and there. A little bit more. Okay, now it's getting there. We just have to pull a little bit on it and pull it down. Pull it one more time, and now it's all nice and tight and done.
Okay, now we're going to try this out. See how it does. Looking good, looking good. Good. And perfect. All fixed. The spring is a little bit shorter. And it seems like maybe I might need to get a new spring just in general and replace it. Now it should be fairly easy. And it all looks good.
So hopefully that helped somebody out there. If it did, leave a comment in the comment section. And yeah, if it helped you, also subscribe. Put out weekly videos with repairs like this that are solutions for everyday problems.